Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's see what month of Shawwal contained for Muslim brothers and sisters. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith 1900. Ibn Umar anhu narrated, I heard Allah's Apostle ﷺ saying, when you see the crescent of the month of Ramadan, start fasting. And when you see the crescent of the month of Shawwal, stop fasting. And if the sky is overcast and you can't see it, then regard the crescent month of Ramadan as of 30 days. Sahih Bukhari Hadith 2034. Aisha radhiyallahu anha narrated, the Prophet ﷺ intended to practice itikaf, and when he reached the place where he intended to perform itikaf, he saw some tents, the tents of Aisha radhiyallahu anha, Hafsa radhiyallahu anha, and Zainab radhiyallahu anha. So he ﷺ said, do you consider that they intended to do righteousness by doing this? And then he went away and did not perform itikaf in Ramadan, but performed it in the month of Shawwal for 10 days. Jami Tirmizi Hadith 759. Sayyidina Abu Ayyub radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu reported that Allah's Messenger ﷺ said, if anyone fasts during Ramadan and follow it up with 6 fasts during Shawwal, then that is like perpetual fasting, means fasting like whole year. Mishkat al-Masabi Hadith 3167. Hazrat Aisha radhiyallahu ta'ala anha says that the Holy Prophet ﷺ married me in the month of Shawwal, and then after 3 years in the month of Shawwal, he took me away and brought me to his house. Now you tell me, which wife of Holy Prophet ﷺ was more fortunate than me? Sahih Bukhari Hadith 1965. Abu Huraira radhiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrated, Allah's Apostle ﷺ forbade al-wisal in fasting. So one of the Muslims said to him, but you practice al-wisal yourself, O Allah's Apostle ﷺ. The Prophet ﷺ replied, who amongst you is similar to me? I am given food and drink during my sleep by my Lord. So when the people refused to stop al-wisal, fasting continuously, the Prophet ﷺ fasted day and night continuously along with them for a day and then another day. And then they saw the crescent moon of the month of Shawwal. The Prophet ﷺ said to them angrily, if it is the crescent had not appeared, I would have made you fast for a longer period. That was as punishment for them. When they refused to stop practicing al-wisal. Remarks. So the month of Shawwal is famous for 5 things. First thing is actually a happiness for all Muslim brothers and sisters and Muslim nation, that is Eid al-Fitr. Second, there is a possibility that if somebody cannot do itikaf in Ramadan, he may push it in the month of Shawwal also, as there is a witness that Hazur sallallahu alaihi wasallam did that too. Third, as month of Shawwal bring happiness for people in form of Eid al-Fitr, it also can be a reason for a huge happiness for couples, because that is the best month in which one can get married. This is also a month which actually saved lot of Muslim people who were following Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alaihi wasallam for the practices of al-wisal, means continuous fasting. So this month, the crescent of this month saved a lot of people from that hardship and anger of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam too. There is also a possibility of perpetual fasting for the whole year. If you fast 6 days in Shawwal, it will be considered as you fasted for the whole year.
Jazakallah, thank you. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.